Okay, we're on. Okay, this is a group project for business communications. My name is Sylvia Betancourt and I'm the team lead. My major is cybersecurity.
My name is Seth Duncan. I'm a team member and my major is electronic engineering.
I'm Bethany Powell. I'm a team member as well, and my major is computer science.
I'm Ricardo Deanda. I'm also a team member, and I'm pursuing a degree in business administration.
Here's our table of contents. We have our intro and our purpose, data analysis, conclusions, and our references at the end. For planning our first step as a group, we decided that we were going to interview somebody that we knew personally. Bethany suggested her brother-in-law, Stephen Powell, who works in cybersecurity at Hill Air Force Base, which I thought was great personally since I'm going into cybersecurity.
Our main objective for this interview was to gain a better understanding on the ways that communication affects careers such as cybersecurity. And I found this especially important because of the rapid growth of other digital jobs similar to cybersecurity. And in recent years, that has become a very large market.
So after we decided who we wanted to interview, our first step was to get together as a team and talk about what we wanted to ask him. We talked about the things that we wanted to learn, and we came up with a list of questions. We sent those questions to him in advance so he could have a chance to look over them. And then we kind of communicated when we wanted to get together, being respectful of his work schedule and his family obligations. And we ended up meeting on July 3rd. And as Sylvia said, we had a really great conversation. We talked for close to an hour, and he told us a lot about his experiences working in teams and the communication that he needed to be successful.
So during our conversation with Stephen, among some of the awesome things that he said regarding his job in cybersecurity, he also is a manager. He leads a team, and what I liked about some things on that part of it, on that part of the management, is he said something about communication and how he communicates with his team, and he said communicate when needed, don't when it's not necessary. And for me in my my work right now, I deal with this. There's a quote that says 30% of workers find unwanted messages overflowing inboxes to be the most distracting part of their job. And I 100% agree with that. I deal with this every week. I work 2 days a week, so I know when I go into work, I'm going to open my inbox and there's going to be somewhere a couple hundred emails, and maybe 2 or 3 pertain to me and is important information that I need. So him touching on that, on communication with his team, I think was awesome.
In conclusion, we found that Stephen currently works on a team with members all over the country and acknowledged that has acknowledged that he has additional challenges ahead of him. He noted that it was initially difficult to get through the 4 stages of team development. Once they did, however, the team was able to develop a positive team culture and has been very successful ever since. One result of this is a deep trust that exists between team members. For example, Stephen's position is not directly involved in hiring new team members. However, his boss routinely includes him in hiring decisions and will not hire anyone that Stephen has not approved. To underscore this point, Stephen contrasted his team with another team in his office that has never been able to achieve the same level of success. In his opinion, it is the lack of open communication that has crippled the less successful teams. And there's our resource pages. Ta-da!